Hi, welcome to our second level 1 geometry video. We continue talking parallel lines and we turn our attention to another idea called alternate angles. Alternate angles on parallel lines. Right, now alternate angles on parallel lines are equal. That's the idea, the rule you need to learn. Let's show you what we mean by this. Once again, we have a pair of parallel lines. These lines will stay the same distance apart. We're going to draw a line that crosses through them. This line is called a transversal, and they intersect at point J and K. Right, our first pair of alternate angles are these two angles here. They're both 28 degrees. Now, the first angle up here, is called angle CKJ. And this is up here, this 28. The second angle down here, which is also 28, is called angle BJK. And they are alternate angles on parallel lines. Let me show you a second pair of alternate angles. So another pair here. And you can see these two are alternate angles and they are equal as well. So this angle down here is called angle AJK, which is 152 degrees. And this angle up here is called angle JKD, which is also 152, and they are alternate angles on parallel lines. Now, a quick reason why alternate angles are equal. Let me go back to this set of alternate angles and show you another angle up here. Hang on, that didn't work. There we go. So you might remember from our first video that this 28 degrees is corresponding to this angle up here, which is 28. These two angles are corresponding. And once you realize that, then you remember that these two angles are vertically opposite, so they are equal, which proves that this angle of 28 is equivalent to this angle of 28, but we call them alternate angles. Now, alternate angles have a nickname called Z angles. You can clearly see in this diagram I've coloured in a Z, which helps students visualize where the alternate angles are on the inside of the sharp parts of the Z. A little bit trickier when I show you the other one because a lot of people sort of think this ain't a Z, it's kind of like an S really, isn't it? But you can kind of imagine it's a Z on a bit of it's been stretched out a bit. So a lot of people often refer to them as Z angles. Right, let's show you a quick example on how you'd write up an answer in a script. So here's example 1. Determine the size of angle EGH. EGH is this angle up here in red. And we can see that it's alternate to this 98. So we're going to say angle EGH, or if you prefer to write it as angle EGH with the angle sign out the front, which is 98 degrees. Now you must provide a reason. So the reason is they are alternate angles on parallel lines. We don't have to say alternate angles are equal. So we just say alternate angles on parallel lines. If you want to be a little bit shortcutty, a little bit lazy, you are welcome to write alt angles and use the two lines for parallel lines. Right, thanks very much for watching.